Bird Company was founded in 2017 in Santa Monica. This company works without a docking system, which means that you can use Bird application to find nearest Bird scooter. Bird scooters provide a fun way of transportation. When the walk is a little too far, take a Bird and enjoy the ride. It's convenient and so much fun. But remember, if you are under 18, don't forget to put the helmet on. Tap to unlock icon to choose your Bird. Put one foot on the Bird, use other one to give yourself a couple of pushes. Enjoy the ride! Driving the Bird scooter is not only convenient, but also cheap. There is only $1 charge fee to start a ride and 15 cents for each additional minute. There are two ways to brake with a scooter. Push down on the left button or step on the rear wheel cover. In Final Destination, use the application to lock the Bird. Otherwise, it will keep charging you money.
The early bird gets the worm. Bird chargers are people who collect scooters at night and drop them off fully charged in the morning. They use a special version of the Bird mobile app. This version shows the location of the scooters that need to be charged. All you have to do is unlock the Bird scooters and transport them to your home. Chargers get paid for charging each scooter, depending on the difficulty of finding the scooter and how low the scooter's battery is. They are usually paid between $3 and $10 per scooter. The scooter charging device, which looks similar to a laptop charger, plugs into an electrical outlet. Once fully charged, the Bird scooters need to be released to a designated drop-off location between 4 a.m. and 7 a.m. the next morning, so that they are ready to be used by the city's commuters. Once the scooters have been released and the Bird charger has notified the app, Bird will pay the charger directly via direct deposit. Charging scooters for Bird is a great side gig, especially if you live close to scooter high traffic areas. But don't forget to release your Bird scooters by 7 a.m., otherwise you won't get paid.